Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we discussed about dynamic, whatever you insert inside the admin side, and you can see it here like a system dynamic we did in last video. So in this video we can cover this form like a contact us form. Once you can submit this form, so we need to save inside database and we need to send email inside like a system setting inside. You can see it like a contact us email, so he can receive the emails. Suppose you can see it here. You see system submit emails like here there is a submit emails. This is the email can receive it. Okay, email 1 email 2 is a difference. So in this video I will explain. So before we can start this video, you are new in the channel otherwise in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon, so whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it here. And do you want to develop as a freelancer? Just contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all we need to submit this form, so we need to create a form as a post method. So let's go to resources, views, inside page, inside you can see it like a contact.blade.php. okay, just scroll down. So here you can see it like a cname. C means the customer name, sorry, here cname, I think name. We need to provide all the information. Right now is not did like a name like this, so just remove this one and here you can provide a URL. Whatever there is a get method, this URL I can use, so just you can leave it like a blank. We don't want to provide here URL also. So he can put here like a name, so is equal to name. Second one is the name is equal to emails. It's very simple, very easy, but you can watch carefully so you can learn something new. Photo, and after name is equal to subjects. Last one is the message, and here is the already there required field. You can see it here. You see every place phone number and subject all not there, but subject we need required field, so we can add phone number. We don't want to make required. Sometime people need to add, sometime no need to add, is a dependency, so we don't want to do. Okay, so now we need to provide here like a CRF token. So just go to any form and you can copy. Suppose I am going to admin, inside add, so just copy for this CRF field token, CSR field token, and you can put here. Okay, now here is the action is equal to blank and we need to provide is a method is equal to post. So here is a URL is a blank, means action URL. So here you can see it like a blank. So this URL is blank, so we need to use routes inside web.php, and here you can see it, scroll down. So here you can see it like contact. So same functionality we can use like here, there, yes, here you can see. So just copy and paste for this route, and here you can change to post method, and here you can do submit contact. Now we need to create a new function inside a home controller because of we are submitting form. So just copy this controller name, otherwise you can use go to definition and copy this name, submit contact, and just go to app http, and here you can see it home controller. Inside we need to write a new function submit contact request $request dd request all. Okay, let's try it's working, not working. Just I go back again, refresh the page here. So I am always using testing data. I know is a privacy policy about YouTube, so always I use test data. Okay, and here I can put subject, I can do like this test name. Here I message, I can copy all because here there, so we can use directly. I can put here message and I just submit. So you can see name, email, photo. I think phone, we don't want to do photo, just need to do phone. I just made a mistake to name phone. Okay, so automatic changed after we can submit again. Next subject, and after is a message. So this is the information first we need to save inside database table. So we need to open our tables, means database. Inside we need to create a new table, contact us. So let's create a new tables. Just go to database, after click on the new, and here you can do contact us. Here we can provide ID is the auto increment, and let's add some more column. Next one, we can provide user ID. Suppose user can log in, he can contact, so we know which user login. Suppose he's login, so we need to put. Suppose he's not login, so we don't want to put inside user ID. After we can provide names is a varchar 2500, emails varchar 2500. Next is a phone. This is not photo because I made a mistakes. Varchar 2500. Subjects varchar 25500 nulls, and message varchar, I think his text we can use because I don't want to take risk. Sometimes he's writing bigger, and here is the created at and updated at. Now here we can use date and times. Let's go up, and here we can do date and time. Here is there, you see it. Here you can put null, null. Let's click on the save button. So table successfully created. You can see it here. Okay, now we need to create for this table as a model. So we always need a model for this table. So just you can create a new file. Otherwise you can use command prompts also possible, but it's taking time. Let's create directly contact us model.php, and you can copy anyone and you can put here, and after you can change this class name, rename and copy and change your class name. And next one we can sort out is change the name of the table, like here discount code there, so we need to change to contact us, and we don't just leave it like a get single. Also you can leave it this one, just you can put like contact us, and we don't want to need this condition, we need to remove permanently. So also you can change your ID. Suppose we need to use admin side this function, so we can use directly, so why we need to remove. Okay, so leave it this ones. Now we need to call this model inside a home controller, so just go up and you can call here. So this is the model successfully created, you can see. Now also we have provided table name. Just copy this name again and you can put here, and here you can make like a dollar save is equal to new contact us model. After you can do save, so name, I think first you can do user ID, so we can use like auth user ID. We have used directly like this, but we don't want to use, we need to make condition. So first you can declare auth in above, and after you can put here condition, if is not empty auth check. Suppose anybody can log in, so you need to go inside, otherwise no need to go inside. Next one we can make it like a dollar save name is equal to trim dollar request name. Let's copy paste so I can do it very quick. After is the emails, so emails, phone, subjects, next one is a message, and after you can make like a here save, return redirect back with success, your information successfully sent. Yes, perfect, your information successfully sent. So let's go back again. Again we can fill the form and we can try. Before we can fill the form, we need to provide here success message. So just include our file, we have already there. So simply you can use include. Let's scroll down, we can check where is our file there. So outside there, not there. Inside layouts, inside you can see message. So simply you can make layout message, and here is already their file for the success message. You can see it here. So just I will include success error, payment error. So simply here there you see it. So just I include. Okay. So let's try now, working, not working. So just refresh the page. I can put here test. Also I can put test, and also I can put like this phone, subjects, our address, whatever do you do, and just copy and here paste and click on the submit button. So you can see your information is sent. So means it's working very well, but here is the no space. So let's go back again. We can put here. Okay. Let's refresh the page, we can check it's working, not working. So here you can see all the data found, means it's working very well. Also user ID there because of I have already logged in as an admin, this reason. Suppose I am going to back and I log out, and after I fill the contact us form. Let's go back then contact us, and I can fill again. Whatever do you want to, like you can put like test data always, because I don't want to take a risk, this reasons. And here also you can put tester and refresh this page, means submit this page, not refresh, and you see it like your information sends. So it's working very well, no issue. Okay, let's go back again and refresh the page here. So you can see it here is null because you are a logout. Before you log in, this is an ID found. Now you not login, so ID not found. So it's working very well. Now here is the message also generate the problem. I think we need to put outside, like let's go up here and we can put above here. Let's try here, we can submit again. Okay, because look like not good, this is the reasons, otherwise so I have no issue. And I submit because I need to check how it's look show. Okay, now it's perfect, I think it's perfect. Here is also not look like good, sorry about that. And I think I can make here like a BR. So let's go back again and refresh the page. So this is also going to down, this is the problem, you see. So this is the BR also not good. So simply we can put here, and here I can put div, and I can put like a style padding 10px. So every place showing look like a good. Let's refresh the page. Now here showing the space also, so also you can see it proper way. Now we can put this is the, let's see, and submit the form. So I think now it's good, you see your information will send, so it's good. Otherwise you can make like a padding top and a bottoms, and also you can put padding bottom. Okay, so it's done now. Now we need to send emails, whatever email you are set up inside a system setting. So you can see it here is the email already show you in starting time, like here is another table there, system setting. So this email can receive the emails. So it is very simple, very easy. Just we can create a one mail function and we can do the data. So let's do now. So first we need to do, here is a mail function. So you can use mail. Okay, now you can go to any other controller, whatever place we have already done. So simply you can go to login inside. So 100% we already did, you can see it here. So just copy and you can put here inside a submit form. So you can put here, and here you can change contact us mail, and here is a save data. So we have passed. So here we need to use like a system setting data. So just you can create a new variable, get setting, same thing you did inside a context. So just copy and put here, and you can change this variable name, because whatever database inside name there we need to put here. So simply you can make like a submit emails. This is the column already there inside a database, you can see it here, you see. So is received. Next one we need to create a mail function. So just go to mail, inside create a new file and click on the .php. You can copy register mails and just copy all, and you can put here, and after you can change the class name, and here you can change contact us. Okay, and here you can change also contact us. So simply what I did, just I copy for register one, otherwise you can create as a mail wise. So means mail wise means the command wise, so also possible. So you can get same thing, and just you can replace here subject, and also you need to replace here file name. Here is we are using the mail, this reason we are doing like this. Okay, like emails and contact us mail means we are using for the mail template. So simply you can copy this name and you go to emails, and here you need to create a new file, contact us.mail.blade.php. and just press the enter. After go to register.blade.php, and you can copy all and you can put here, and just remove other things, and here you can make hello admin, hi admin, otherwise hello admin, whatever do you want to like you can do it. And here also we don't need anything, just you can make p tag, and here you can type name, and also you can make b tag, so like a bold for the name. Just you can copy paste all, and here you can change all things like name after emails, after do phone, next one is the subjects, last one is the message. One by one you need to pass the data. So simply you can go to contact us mail, here you can see this user we have passed, you see. So just copy this user variable, because of we are already passing one parameter, you can see $save, and this parameter you are getting here and inside construction, and construction parameter value we are providing inside user, and this user variable we have passed inside our file. Just copy this name, whatever name you can provide here, this name you do you want to use. So here you can make $name and copy paste every place after we need to change the name directly. So we can do it very quick. Here you can change about email, next one is a phone, subject and message. Okay, let's save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. It's working, not working. So let's go back and refresh the page here, and after we can fill again form, like here we can do text again, returns, this is our text, and here we can put like our mobile number, and this is the got any question, this is the subject, and this is our article, and I click on the submit button. But before we can click submit button, we need to declare for this mail function contact us mail. So just go to up, and you can copy paste above one, and here you can change to model to mail. You can see it here, you see app mail, inside you can see it contact us mail. So we need to declare. Okay, so let's press the submit button. Once you can press the submit button, so taking time because of sending the emails. After you can receive your email, just taking few seconds more. Suppose error there, so we need to solve the error, but I am 100% sure error is not there. Suppose there, so we need to solve, so don't worry about that. Okay, taking so much time, so 100% the errors, I don't know. Okay, not errors, you can see it here, message there, your information is sent. So it's working very well, but first time sending email, mail trap sending email always take time. So here you can see hi admin, name there, email there, phone there, subject there, and message there. So admin can receive the emails. So means it is a dynamic done. Also is a mobile you also working very well, so we have no issue now. Okay, so mail trap inside email send done. So in this video I have explained here whatever information we are fill is a automatic save inside database, and also we are sending a email whatever you did inside system setting. Okay, so next video we can sort out whatever information you are fill here, so we need to show admin side, and we can provide also delete button. So do you want to delete, so you can delete. Okay, so I hope you are clear about contact us submit form. So do you have any question for this video, so please comment out, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.